Topsy mini air fryer. It's a 2.1 quart air fryer. It was actually sent to me to try out, so let's go ahead and unbox it, see what comes in it, and then actually test it out. So first, of course, you get a nice manual. It's going to give you all of the instructions on how to use, how to clean, and how to take care of this. It also comes with a nice recipe book, just to give you ideas of different types of meals that you can actually make inside of this air fryer, which is a 4-in-1 mini air fryer. This is the non-stick basket. It is dishwasher safe, which is great. It's very easy for cleanup. And inside here is where you're going to put the tray. Now, you don't want to put food inside of the basket without this tray. The food must go on this tray, and it's very easy to go in. It is all dishwasher safe. The top right here, you have all of the presets options. Of course, you can go ahead and control it by this little knob right here. Once we go ahead and plug this in, this is going to go ahead and light up, so we know what setting it's on. Uses rapid air circulation technology to cook the food, which uses up to 98% less oil than traditional frying methods, which of course promotes healthier eating. So as you can see, as we plugged it in, the lights are on. We can go ahead and say turn on, and even more lights are coming up. So this is now telling you temperature. So this is the pause and play button. This is the on and off. You can go ahead and get to presets for different things. So put that on, you're going to see the light on top of here turn on to red, and that's how you know that it is actually preheating. Been preheating, let's go ahead and put our sandwich that we've made into the basket itself. So as you can see, it's in the basket. As soon as you pull the tray out, the air fryer does go ahead and shut off. It's an automatic shut off. And then once we go ahead and we want to actually set this about 3 minutes, which is right here. This air fryer is so compact. It is great for apartments, for dorms, for small areas. And because it's a 4-in-1 appliance, it allows you to air fry, bake, roast, and reheat, providing so many different cooking needs in just this one air fryer. See, once your timer is finished, it is going to say end, and it gives you a countdown, so you know that this is where it's actually cooling down in temperature, and we're going to go inside and take out the sandwich. We have a nice toasted grilled cheese sandwich.